There you go, guys. Thought I'd make a quick little video showing you how I'm locking my fridge in place so when I open and close the door my fridge isn't moving. And now I'll do a little trim around the opening. It'll hide the foot down here and clean up the edge, make it look nice. But yeah, that was a quick little solution. I had a couple little pieces before I cut like this, but I didn't like the way it looked. I figured putting a full piece in there, if somebody does see underneath of the fridge, they don't see a couple chunks of wood like this. But anyways, yeah. So there you go. Quick little video on how to lock your fridge in place in your camper. Until next time, guys. Stay safe. I'll talk to you again soon.